Episode 7 of Dynamite Kiss starts with Seonyu visiting Myung-soon. The other ladies praise him, assuming he is her son-in-law. However, Myung-soon clarifies that he is like a son to her. Meanwhile, a stressed boy is silently watching over Darim. He gets a private room and insists that she stay at the hospital for the night. As he helps raise her hospital bed, they nearly kiss. Fortunately, a nurse enters to check Darim's blood pressure and is alarmed to find that it is elevated. To calm his nerves, Ji-hyuk leaves to fetch a drink only to come back and find Darim asleep again. He spends the whole night by her side. The next morning, Darim is touched to see that he fell asleep while watching over her. She reaches out to touch his hand, but then holds back. Elsewhere, Hyang's brother, Taeyang, travels back to Seoul. Like his parents, he is a piece of work. He is entitled, bratty and egotistical. He fires his driver simply for obeying his mother's orders instead of his own. We quickly learn that he is temporarily in town and mostly resides in America, where he is currently working on expanding the family business. He is also divorced, and his mom is looking to find him a new wife by throwing a big welcome party. On the other hand, Hyang is working hard to win Seonyu over. She cooks him some delicious food and drops by his studio. Seonyu tries to push her away, but June is a big Hyang supporter. Still, Seonyu is pleased watching his son with Hyang. Meanwhile, Chung-ho and the board of directors officially launch the Natural Web Environment project. Chung-ho finds mother's team spirit enduring, while Ji-hyuk finds it funny. During the tree planting event, Nansuk brings her youngest son, Dae-song. Unhappy with the Mother TF team's success, Ji-hae orders Chung-gu to stay behind and collect evidence against Ji-hyuk and Darim. Fortunately, Chung-gu falls asleep under a tree before getting any incriminating evidence. The tree planting event is a great success and Darim names her tree after her dad, opening up to Ji-hyuk about his influence on her life. The team diligently work together, goofing around and playing with Dae-song. Of course, Darim and Ji-hyuk flirt a bit, but Chung-gu misses all that tea because of his incompetence. In the meantime, Taeyang visits GHY's dog shelter. It turns out these two were in a relationship, but Taeyang opted to marry someone else. He didn't want GHY's paternity scandal to bring him down, so he let her go. However, Chung-ho still made Ji-hae attend the wedding. Now, Ji-hae is no longer the optimistic, soft-hearted woman he used to play mind games with. She is hungry to prove herself. Her ambitions have made her greedy, and she wants to take over the company. She sends Taeyang on his way. Back at the park, the team happily wraps up the event, only to notice that Dae-song is missing. They spread out to look for the little boy, where Darim follows the trail and spots his toy. She goes to grab it, but falls into a valley and passes out. Meanwhile, the others find Dae-song, who wound up distracted while chasing a squirrel. Jaeyoung-min calls Ji-hyuk to update him on the good news, but of course, he can't reach Darim. Upon hearing that she's missing, Ji-hyuk goes to look for her. He finds her passed out in a valley and wakes her up. As they struggle to get back up, it starts to rain, and they are forced to hide in a cave. Jaeyoung-min calls to check on them, but the call is disconnected due to bad service. Worried, Jaeyoung-min calls Seonyu, who is currently with Hyang and June. Seonyu hurriedly leaves to help with the search and asks Hyang to watch over his son. Unfortunately, the rescue team is forced to wait for the heavy rain to stop before proceeding with the mission. While they wait to be rescued, Darim continues to talk about how her father's death affected her. Ji-hyuk assumes she got married early to fill the void her dad left. Darim doesn't correct his assumption and simply goes with it. Anxious, Seonyu arrives at the park and ignores the rescue team's advice. He grabs a torch and goes looking for Darim in the middle of the heavy rain. As it begins to get dark, Darim starts to feel cold. To keep her warm, Jihyok offers her his jacket and holds her close. It takes a while for them to be rescued, and Jihyok grows delirious from a fever. Darim tries to keep him conscious as she apologizes, believing his illness is her fault. Jihyok pulls her closer and confesses that he, too, is easily swayed. It dawns on Darim that Jihyok remembers her drunk confession from the other night. He is about to kiss her when Seonyo finds them. Ignoring Jihyok, Seonyo checks on Darim and grabs her arm, leading the way back. Surprisingly, Jihyok grabs Darim and pulls her by his side. Seonyo is shocked by Jihyok's actions and is about to speak up when the rescue team arrives. Jihyok instinctively drops Darim's arms. At Seonyo's house, Hyang plays chess with June. She uses this opportunity to collect more information on Seonyo from his son. On the ride back home, Seonyo suggests that Darim quit her job. He admits that he is worried about her relationship with Jihyok, given the latter's actions at the park. Darim comes to Jihyok's defense though, saying he was delirious from a fever and has no intention of relying on Seonyo to help her financially. Seonyo is jealous and points out that she has no problem relying on Jihyok. On the other hand, Jaeyoungmin drives Jihyok home. During the ride, Jihyok can't stop thinking about what happened with Darim. The following day, Chungho visits In-ae at the hospital as a PR stunt to promote Natural Beb's new products. In-ae overhears him coming and quickly hides. Chungho's security team try to find her, but Myung-soon helps her hide. Later, In-ae tells her all about her tumultuous marriage. As expected, Myung-soon is sympathetic and asks In-ae to consider her happiness for the sake of her son. At the office, the Mother TF team excitedly received their first payment. Darim decides to buy Jihyok a gift to thank him and to pay the first installment of her debt to him. She is flustered when Jaeyoungmin mentions that Jihyok took a day off because he has a cold. In the evening, she persuades Jaeyoungmin to give her Jihyok's address so she can deliver some food. In the meantime, Jihyok has a nightmare where he confronts his dad for having an affair. In the dream, his dad turns to accuse him of the same. Suddenly, the man transforms from Chungho into a different version of himself. Jihyok wakes up feeling guilty about his feelings for Darim. When Darim arrives, Jihyok calls her out for visiting unannounced. He also asks why she would show up at his house, given that it can cause others to misunderstand. Darim quickly apologizes and explains that she only wanted to comfort him with some food, pay him back and thank him for his help. She leaves the food, gift and money, walking away heartbroken by his harsh words. Jihyok remains inside, wallowing in the dark as he thinks about his feelings for Darim. The scene then cuts to Hyang and Jihyok having a meal with their families. Suddenly, Jihyok announces he wants to get married as soon as possible, shocking Hyang.